Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily track time in ClickUp. For this particular task, we need to log in into ClickUp, into your workspace that you want to track your time. And once we're in here, we can do it two ways. Let's say we have some things to do, task number 1, task number 2, task number 3. So I'm going to go with task number 3. And in top corner of this pop-up window, we can easily start tracking our time. So start timer, and you see on the bottom of your screen that you are at the moment have timer on. Let's say you are finished with the work on this task. You will click stop timer, and then you see we just tracked basically 1 minute on February 3rd. We can close the window. That is one way how we can do it. The second way is on the bottom right corner on this fast access bar, and here we have track time option, and we're gonna click there. We already see that we measured time at task 3 and in task 1, so we can select the task. We can go with recent task or browse the task, and that's the way how I do it. Pick the project 1, for example, task number 2, and right now we can start timing. So we are working on task number 2. We minimize it, and you see on the bottom right corner that the task is still in counting. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.